All right. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Hector, if you guys haven't met me yet. And I've been wearing systems for about 3 years now. And I first started off with a poly system, and now I'm on lace. I love lace, lace is awesome. But there was a point in my sort of hair system journey where I almost quit. In this box might lie the solution to all of my problems. I won't have to go to bed stressed anymore the night before. So Super Hair Pieces now offers a ready-to-wear hair system service, where it literally is what it is. You give them your base measurements, which you need to figure out. They have a video on how to do that. And then you can select if you want like a full cap, or if you just want just a regular hair system toupee kind of thing. You can pick out what kind of haircut you want, and you can even pick out if you want to do anything fancy with your base. So sometimes you can ask to leave some lace in case you want to touch up your own hairline, stuff like that. And then the other crazy option, which is also really convenient, is that they'll also pre-tape it for you if you want that to happen.
So we're in my second studio right now, also known as my bathroom. And now we're going to actually get into installing the ready-to-wear system that we got from Super Hair Pieces. Super exciting. Let's get into it. All right, so we'll go step by step, but I first wanted to show out my sort of setup here, where we're gonna go from left to right. So we're first gonna start off by wiping everything off our head with some isopropanol and a paper towel. We're then gonna mark where our hairline should start. We're then going to apply scalp protector around the areas. After that, I'm gonna use Ghost Bond Supreme, and then we're gonna apply the hairpiece, and we're gonna see how it all sort of fits in. Let's get into it.
For me, it was just the effort. It just took a lot of work, a lot of money. And those are the two things that I always kind of fought with, where, is it worth my time doing this? Is it worth the money?
As you can see, my scalp is nice and clean, and my sides are there. So we're gonna first start off with some paper towel and some IPA. So you just wanna clean the area, make sure it's all clean, dry. So this will really prep the surface to make sure that you're gonna be able to get it to stick. So you first start off with wiping your head down. Next step is figuring out where you wanna start your hairline. So in my case, I have a little line right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, where my forehead sort of does that little wrinkle. Yeah, so I usually make that line I'm okay with that line being a little lower than where I think it should be, because you want your sort of glue, and you'll see when I put the glue down, I don't want to touch that line, because if you get any glue on that, it's kind of tough to get it off. So now the next thing is go around and sort of feel out where I'm going. So in this case, I'm gonna mark like the rest of my hairline, so I know roughly where to put glue. So that's roughly now you can kind of see I have the middle right here to line it up. You have that point.
So I would only really do installs on like very, very relaxing days, on days that I knew that I had all the time in the world, because you should dedicate a lot of time to these things, again, because it's so delicate.
Now let's get some scalp protector onto the head. So now, what I usually do, I kind of just like dab along the area. So I kind of go like this. I try not to go over where I made my markings, just because it makes it really hard to remove. And then now all we're gonna do is apply the Ghost Bond Supreme onto those areas. So what I like to do is I like to take that same paper towel that we had, and I kind of just had a good amount of alcohol to it, and I do that because I spread this with my finger. You want glue, but you don't want your surface to be smothered in glue. So you see that. Now I'm just gonna push it around. And you kind of just want to use your finger to just smooth that out. You want to get glue in those areas, but you want to almost make it as thin of a layer as possible. So I'm just going to put some glue in that area. Kind of like a similar amount as to what I put in the hairline. So usually another trick of mine is like, when applying something like this, I use my hand as a fan, and I put air onto the surface. When you do that, it'll feel cold, just because I think these glues have like an alcohol in them. That when you blow on them, they'll feel cold. The alcohols themselves absorb heat. Now is the moment of truth.
So we have the box there, and it's there. So I think we're all used to seeing, like we get a system and the hair is incredibly long, right? But now in this case, give this a look. Wow, it's actually cut to like what a normal person would wear it at. You know, you're not left with like the 8-inch sort of hair. And then yeah, look at the base. So that's my head. It's cut to my head because I gave them my dimensions. And this is super exciting because I've never gotten something right out of a box that I could just immediately wear.
So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to hold my system with my thumbs on the temple areas. So on the widest parts, holding that there. And I just try to find the center. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to get really close to the surface and just line it up, making sure that it's all lined up. I have put down the system roughly where I think it should start. So that's where my hairline is, right? I put glue all the way above this line, so we're covered there. Put glue all the way above this line, and my hair starts right there, so that's good. And now I just press it down lightly, you know, a little bit, just a little bit. You don't want to fully press it down yet because you don't want to lock it in yet in case you have to move it. So now you should be able to do something like this. So now what I do, I just like hold the edges now, and I pull the edges across to cover the areas of the rest of your hair system, of the rest of your base. So you're just like little stretch, and then because if you stretch it too much, I've learned that it sort of it'll like pull the skin on your scalp, and you don't want that. That hurts. I've done that before, and like it will give you a headache. I've gotten headaches before, and it really does suck. And so the magical thing about these sort of adhesives is that as soon as you can touch them down lightly and they won't stick, but as soon as you sort of press down onto them, they'll like fully, like they'll be a lot more sticky to the surface. Cool. And yeah, look, that's it. It's on my head. So if you look at the side of my head, that's not bad. It's not wet or anything yet. You know, I haven't styled it yet or anything. But you can see like it kind of still like blends in with my bio hair. Great, that's good. That's what you want to see. And then we go on this side. The same thing. It's not that bad. Hold up. So now, and even from the back, let's see if I can get the back. Like even in the back, it's pretty good. Depending on the haircut you get, you can probably get away with cutting your hair a few days before and then installing it, and you should be okay. These are also huge. You need a little spray bottle. So now I'm just gonna comb it. But yeah, so you can probably get away with cutting your hair a few days before instead of having to go like right after you install it. So yeah, this is pretty good. I'm liking this so far. It looks so good. It looks so good. So sometimes to remove the marker, I literally just use my finger again, and you can kind of just rub, and it'll come off. So I've always wanted like something like this, a little haircut like this, because I feel like in the past it's just been way too long. But now look how good that looks. All right, so now we're back full circle. I can show you all the front, I can show you all the sides, and then I'll show you all the back. Like this. Right out the box, pretty solid. That's not bad at all. I just keep looking at the mirror because how great this looks. But this is game changer. This is game changer.
So this honestly saves everyone time and stress because now you don't have to do this on your own. You can have professionals take care of it. I'm just super happy that Super Hairpiece is able to sort of take a lot of the weight off of the hair system wearer. I feel like on our day-to-day it's pretty tough, you know, like if you work out, okay, I have to go home, I have to do something, like I have to do like a quick hairline touch up, or oh no, I'm getting lifting, I have to go change that tonight. So if you're thinking about it, go for it. I'd even recommend just go for this. As a beginner too, like this is gonna save you a lot of time and stress. Eventually you wanna be able to get comfortable with doing it on your own, but this is a good gateway to sort of get there. But yeah, thank you Super Hairpieces. Bye, I'll see you later.